try to demo some of the features of Livescribe Pulse, which is a pen-top computer. So you have a small display, you have 2 microphones for stereo recording, and you have a loudspeaker. You also have things here to give commands, like the main menu. These things you normally find on every page. And what I'm going to demo for you here is the translator demo. So I go to the main menu. You normally have these simplified tools to navigate.
Paper replay, piano, translator demo.
Translator demo, and I go to Spanish.
Spanish.
And normally when you're out traveling, you would like to order a beer. So we go here and we write 1.
Uno.
And then we write beer.
Cerveza.
And you should be nice to the bartender, so you write please.
Por favor.
This company is California-based in San Francisco, and sometimes the people there doesn't speak Spanish behind the bar,
Mandarin.
So you have Mandarin. Since now we have the Anoto pattern here, we're using the same camera as before. This is a coordinate system. It now knows that I have been writing 1 beer, please. So I can go.
一啤酒，请。
Here we are. I will now demo 2 learning toys from you from Leapfrog. The first one is the Tag Junior, and the second one is Tag. Both are basically educational toys and reading books for kids. The one for the small children is a simplified version where you start it. But basically what you do, you take the tag, and the tag has then the connector that it's pushing with at the page. So when you're going down there, it's pushing down, and it starts singing like a lion. Or you have the story here. You also have everything else enabled, so when the kid is then exploring the book, it will find more and more things, like the sun, the different animals here. What is common with these things regarding the other Anoto stuff is basically the optical sensor, and of course then the dotted pattern in all the books. When you buy these things, what is happening is that you get 1 book loaded into the Leapfrog. In case the book is not loaded onto the Tag Junior, it will basically tell your parents to download it. And how you do that is that in both the products, here is a tag. What you have is a micro USB that you connect to the computer, and there is a software. This one here is a little bit more than advanced, because this is aiming for kids from where this one is ending then as 2 years old up until 12, depending on the book and the content here. Here is then the tag, and as a tag here can then give you different commands like read the page, repeat, stop, game, yes and no. And if you go into the book, then you can then start reading.
I sat there with Sally.
Or you can pick different word.
Was, sit, we, like, 5.
And everything is enabled here as well, like the fish or the kids. And then you can play the game here as well. If you're able to complete the game, you will then be able to go to the next level of the game. And when you upload, the next time you're tagged to the computer, you have your learning path there. So you can see as a parent that your kids has been doing the tests and passed through the book and read the book, basically. That was Tag. I will now demonstrate Eno by Polyvision. Eno is a steel ceramic whiteboard. So it's basically indestructible, where we then have a projector from the ceiling here, and a digital pen, same thing here, with a digital camera reading the dots. So I can start doing some drawing. I can of course then change the thickness. I can erase and change color, or I can also use this one to control a computer. It's basically a mouse in this case, so I can then start any kind of program I would like to do, for example a calculator, and then I can just type in the things and use it. So as a teacher using this one, you have an interactive tool based on a plain whiteboard. You can use the magnets, you can use a normal marker pen, whatever you'd like to do it. And in the same case, it is an interactive whiteboard.